We are standing at the threshold of the most significant economic shift since the Industrial Revolution. This is the Great Decoupling. The link between human labor and productivity is breaking. For the first time, machines aren't just replacing muscles, they're replacing minds. This isn't just about robots in factories, it's about AI in law firms, hospitals, and creative studios. The rules of work are being rewritten. Are you prepared for a future where your current role might not exist in 5 years? Today, we build your survival roadmap. From the way we code to the way we care for others, no sector is immune, but in disruption, there is unparalleled opportunity. To survive, we must first understand the scale. Let's look at the hard data from the World Economic Forum's latest report. The WEF 2025 report estimates that 92 million jobs will be displaced by 2030. That is a massive structural transition. Forrester predicts over 10 million U.S. jobs lost by 2030, figures comparable to the entire Great Recession, but happening at triple the speed. Goldman Sachs research indicates that 300 million full-time jobs worldwide are exposed to some degree of automation. It's universal. In the legal sector, AI can now review documents in seconds that used to take junior associates days. The exposure gap is widening. In healthcare, AI diagnostics are becoming more accurate than human doctors in specific imaging tasks. This is cognitive task replacement. We've reached an inflection point. In Q1 2025 alone, automation-related layoffs surged by over 200%. Major players like Walmart and Ford are already supplanting tens of thousands of roles with AI and robotic systems. It's happening now. But there is a silver lining. While 92 million jobs disappear, 170 million new roles are emerging. The question is, do you have the skills? New roles are concentrated in AI engineering, cybersecurity, and data science. These positions are becoming the backbone of the economy. As technical tasks are automated, human skills are becoming the new hard currency. Their value has grown by 20% since 2018. AI lacks the ability to create overall strategy or navigate complex human emotions. These are the traits that will keep you employed. Critical thinking and ethical reasoning are your greatest assets. Humans must focus on the why and the how, not just the what. In roles requiring high empathy, like counseling, nursing, and leadership, human presence is irreplaceable. That is where the value lies. Being good at your job now requires being good with AI. Technical preparation is no longer just for engineers. AI literacy is now a baseline requirement for 50% of hiring managers. This includes mastering tools like ChatGPT and Copilot. Prompt engineering is the new literacy. Since 2023, the number of AI skills added to LinkedIn profiles has surged by 177%. The focus is shifting from building models to managing the data that feeds them. Skills in data quality and governance are in high demand. A critical new field is rare event mining. Experts are needed to train robots to handle unpredictable real-world scenarios. Technical skills now have a half-life of only a few years. You must embrace micro-upskilling, continuous learning to stay relevant. Continuous learning isn't a phase, it's the new permanent state of work. The game has changed, and the board is always moving. But individual effort isn't enough. We need systemic changes to cushion this massive transition. Let's talk about universal basic income. UBI has moved from a fringe idea to a bipartisan policy consideration. It's being viewed as economic infrastructure for the automation age. In 2025, 8 U.S. governors launched bipartisan UBI pilots. Regions like Texas and Vermont are leading the way with creative funding. The robot tax is a way for governments to capture the productivity gains of automation and redistribute them into retraining programs. Evidence from the Stockton Seed program showed that UBI recipients were 12% more likely to find full-time employment. Governments are also adopting personal training accounts, like in France, giving workers direct credits for mid-career retraining. Singapore's Skills Future program is a global leader, providing direct funding for citizens to upskill as the labor market shifts. The UK's National Retraining Partnership involves a collaboration between government and industry to guide workers into AI expert roles. Industry leaders like Sam Altman and Elon Musk have both advocated for UBI as an inevitable necessity for the future of work. McKinsey estimates a 7% increase in global GDP by 2030, driven entirely by automation-driven efficiency. This $13 trillion productivity boom could fund the social safety nets needed for a smooth transition. The resources are there. So, how do you personally navigate this? You need a tactical upskilling plan. Here is your 5-step survival guide. Step 1. Audit your current role. Identify tasks that are repetitive, data-heavy, or predictable. These are the ones most likely to be automated. Ask yourself, what parts of my job require high-level judgment and emotional intelligence? Those are your areas of safety. Step 2, pivot toward human-centric tasks. Focus on relationship management, strategic planning, and complex problem-solving. Leadership and project management skills are becoming more valuable as the doing is increasingly handled by machines. Focus on the leading. Step 3, master the AI tools in your field. Don't let AI replace you. Use AI to make yourself 10 times more productive. Learn how to prompt, how to audit AI outputs, and how to integrate these tools into your workflow. Be the pilot, not the passenger. Step 4, build a personal brand. In an AI world, your unique human voice and perspective are more valuable than ever. Show your expertise. Networking and community building are critical. Your connections and reputation are things AI cannot duplicate or replace. Step 5, stay connected. Participate in professional communities and keep your pulse on the latest industry shifts. Adaptation is a team sport. Find a mentor who is navigating the same shift. Learning from others' experiences is the fastest way to upskill and stay relevant. The future isn't jobless, it's different. It's a future where human creativity and machine efficiency work in tandem to solve our biggest problems. The Great Decoupling is a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to redefine what work means for humanity. We are the architects of this future. Stay curious, stay adaptable, and most importantly, stay human. Your insight and perspective are more needed than ever before. We will navigate this together. Start your journey today and lead the way into the new economy. If you found this masterclass valuable for your career, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of work. Which skill are you focusing on first? Tell us in the comments below. Let's start the conversation and build this roadmap together.